कोई ना पहले छोटे Yes, my country.
Yes, my country.
And all Indian son.
And all Indian son.
Brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
Love my country.
I love my country.
And proud of it.
And I'm proud of it.
Rich and brave it is.
Rich and brave it is.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all others,
and everyone
and everyone
who courtesy
who loves me.
to my country,
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
place my devotion.
and place my devotion.
There will be
In there will be
prosperity upon
and prosperity upon
life and happiness.
life and happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
The fragrance of a flower spreads for each generation of earth, but the goodness of a person spreads all tradition. We rejoice a warm morning to Manila, President of Year, Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Shri Vikrant Principal J.P. Sundarkar, Shri Jadavadi Sir, Principal J.P. Sonpur, Shri Shyamkumar Sir, most respected Vice Principal Sir, respected all teachers, and attendant my brothers and sisters, and our classmates. I am Manisha. Today we are standing in front of you to coordinate the morning assembly program on behalf of class 11. First of all, I would like to thank Master Satyam for his inspiring student place. Then I would like to call Ms. Parina for today's thought. Good morning to all the beach town. Beach town, thus please get better. It may be shown now that it never remains further. Means we have to place means to listen in our life. Sometimes we may get betrayed, but we should know the art of letting this go. As not go away after the end. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Arnab, for the talk. Then I'd like to call on Sari for the review.
Good morning to all of you. Welcome to today's news sessions. First, international news. The UK's royal mint is now extracting gold from electronic waste. 7.1 magnitude earthquake rocks Japan's Miyazaki. Huge California wildfire keeps to timber in very hot and dry weather. Next is international news. Daily version of Constitution launched in West Bengal. Jaipur Healthcare Center is bidding dollars for setting startup in Beijing. Make Har Ghar Tiranga a memorable mass movement, says PM Modi. Supreme Court rejects plea against election of Amit Pal Singh for Lok Sabha MP. Next is state news. Odisha CM announces awards for Indian hockey team bronze medal. Odisha to create a pool of 100 professional sign language interpreters. Professor Weaver Rasananda Mehe receives National Handloom Award. Continuous rainfall expected in Odisha for next 5 to 7 days, says Director IMD Bhubaneswar. Next is sports news. Neeraj Chopra failed to get gold, gets silver instead. Gold medalist Odisha hockey star Amit Rohidas on red card. Aman Sarawat wins gold medal in the men's freestyle at 57 kg at the Paris Olympics, becoming India's youngest Olympic medal winner. That is all for today. Thank you all.
Thank you, Master Swami, for letting us know about our surroundings. Next, I would like to call Ms. Vasri for today's vocabulary section.
Morning to all of you. Today's word is injustice. Let us give a loud and for each and ready displayed by class 7 students in today's assembly program. It is just a noun word. The adjective of ingenuity is ingenuous. In sentence, our school boasts ingenuous talent in our students. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rosary, for today's word. Flow surplus services. You will be always fruitful and find the fulfillment of your desires. With this word, Ms. Rajesh Mangit Suresh Mentor.
Honorable Kanasi, respected
all. अभिवादनशिरस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्वेदः यशोबलम्. This sloka from Manusmriti explains that the one who is gentle, humble, respected servant elders is blessed with increased knowledge, longer life, success and strength. जो पुत्र अपने माता पिता की पूजा करके उनकी प्रदक्षिणा करता है, उसके पृथ्वी परिक्रमा जनित फल सुलभ हो जाता है. This sloka from our ancient scriptures pronounces our culture, regarding elders and elevating them as the status of supreme. However, I apprehend an unlike scenario in our contemporary society where we come across news about the present generation torturing their parents, leaving them in old age homes and going to an extent to kill them. Now, my question to all of you is that why such a degeneration in our vital nature? Let me answer the question. The reason for this in technical terms can be said as generation gap. I, Prachi Sahu, standing in front of you to share my views on the topic generation gap. What is generation gap? When sets of people who are born in different years and have different opinions on the same topic, it is known as the generation gap. It is quite natural to exist. It is not just an impact of difference in ages, but also many other factors like difference in interest, difference in religious beliefs, cultural changes, difference in technological changes, etc. But is it friendly or creating worries in the younger and the older relationships today? Everyone wants to live their life according to their own way and don't want to compromise with their own views and values. There has always been a lack of attitude and lack of understanding in both the generations. This leads to creating worries and impact our life in a wrong way. For example, parents want to bring up their children the way they have been brought up in the traditional one. On the other hand, children don't like going with any rule book. Most of them act impulsively and emotionally. This lack of understanding creates problems in the relationships. To resolve all this, both the generations should develop more understanding and acceptance for each other. Children should listen to their elders as they are more experienced and have well-nourished views on life. They should take inspiration from them and learn from the mistakes that they have made in their life. On the other hand, children should also share their views and opinions, and elders should give respect and understand to it too. Let's see a situation. Father spent 20 minutes to save 20 rupees and son spent 20 rupees to save 20 minutes. Surprisingly, both are correct. To overcome these problems, we should work together and build a better place for our upcoming generation. Both the generations should understand each other consciously for the development of the society. This generation gap can be filled with mutual respect, trust and love. So, I conclude with the hope that everyone present over here will pay respect and show their love to their parents, elders, youngers, so that to bridge this gulf of generation gap. Thank you.
मेरी उंगली पकड़ते चलते थे, अब मुझे रास्ता दिखाते हैं, अब मुझे कैसे जीना है मेरे बच्चे मुझे सिखाते हैं. ये शब्दों के साथ मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी सनी को उसकी कविता के साथ.
यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी गुरुजनों तथा मेरे छोटे बड़े बहनों को मेरा नमस्कार. पहले तो मैं राजीव साहब का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने पीढ़ी के अंतर के ऊपर इतना सुंदर वक्तव्य बोला. इसी पर आधारित एक कविता मैं आप लोगों को सुनाना चाहता हूँ जो कि इस प्रकार है. दुनिया में मोहब्बत के बहुत से लोग, लेकिन जो नानी पे नाती पे बनता है, पर छुट्टी होते ही गर्मी की नानी घर चले जाना, जो नाती जाके नानी से निपटता है मोहब्बत. गुजरता है ये प्रेम तेरे नए रूप में ढल कर, उलझता है यहाँ नानी से कई बरसों में अक्सर. इन्हीं बरसों में फंसकर नानी फंसाने को देती है, इकट्ठा है सामने को खाने को देती है. वैसे ही एक बच्चे की मुझे और नानी की उनकी आंखों में दुनिया सादा है। मैंने उसका कह दिया, मैंने तो नानी जीवन भर बस गाँव देखा तो क्या देखा है। नानी की आंखें गिराई, मैं उलझ कर सोच रहा हूँ इसी भाव में फंसकर कि क्या सोचा होगा नानी के मन में। एक सकी बस गाँव में अपनी नानी छितर गई, बदले शामों से पूछ पड़ी, कितनी दुनिया देखा है इस नन्ही सी आंखों से। मैं फिर बहुत अकड़ बोला, शहर शहर घूमा हूँ, तरह तरह की चीजें, बहर बहर घूमा हूँ, घर समंदर जंगल देखे, अंबर को रातों में, पर्वत देखे, झरने देखे, बर्फ को भी हाथों में। मैंने पत्थर पर उठे इंसानों की नक्काशी देखी, कान्हा का वृंदावन देखा, महादेव की काशी देखी। नानी तो धरती से आकाश निहारा है जीवर, नानी तो धरती से आकाश निहारा है जीवर। मैंने धरती को देखा अंबर के ऊपर चढ़कर, मैंने धरती को देखा अंबर के ऊपर चढ़कर। नानी के चेहरे पर एक बहुत अतिरक्त था, पर उनकी आंखों से कुछ तो था जो बहुत ही गहरा। बाहर देख रहे थे और बोली मुझसे धीरे से, पत्थर की तुलना करता चलेगा। अच्छा लगता है, अच्छी चीजें देखो तुम, पर जितनी रुचि है दुनिया वही है ये ना सोचो तुम। दुनिया बदल रही है बेटा, आंखों ने बदलाव किया, मुट्ठी से ही उन्हें फिसल जाने का भाव किया। मत कर तुलना अपने पर्यटन को मेरे अनुभव से, थक गई है आंखें दुनिया की दुनिया मेरे भाव से। कभी कभी गर्मी में बारिश होती है, कभी कभी सूखा पड़ता बरसातों में। देखा पहले कान्हा जी के जन्म दिन पर कितनी बारिश होती थी उन रातों में। पहले तो झटके सर्दी पड़ती थी, अब एक दो हफ्ते सर्दी पड़ती है। मैंने देखा बेमौसम बरसातों में कई फसल बर्बाद होती है इन रातों में। धरती खातिर कहर हो गई, मैंने देखा नदी सिमट कर नहर हो गई। नदियां दूर हुई तो उत्सव होता है, अब तो बेटा होता है। बाहर देख रही थी किस्सा कहती जाती थी, कहीं बार नानी ने मेरे चेहरे पर, नानी ने मेरे चेहरे पर ख्वाब उतरते हुए देखा। नानी ने मेरी दोनों गालें पिचकारी दी, मैं भी उनसे प्यार से निपट गया। सोच रहा था कितना कुछ देखा है मैंने अब तक, सोच रहा हूँ कितना कुछ देखा जाना बाकी है। मेरी आंखों ने दो जगह को बदल बदल कर देखा है, मेरी आंखों ने दो जगह को बदल बदल कर देखा है, पर नानी की आंखों ने एक ही जगह को बदल के देखा है। नानी की आंखों ने एक ही जगह को बदलते देखा।
Thank you, Sunil, for your beautiful voice. An ounce of practice was more than an ounce of practice. With this word, thank you all. Have a good day.
Today's comedy song is हम सब भारतीय हैं।